So what do we have here? We have the Motorola Z. Yeah, I know it's an old device, but most of the devices that are coming on the channel now are devices that were pretty expensive when they were out, but now they are really affordable. Like this, I got this on a bundle for barely $200, not even up to like 180, $190, and this is the style shell mod that came with it. I wish I actually got the battery pack shell. That's what I wanted, but I think I got some mix up in the orders and I didn't want to take this back. So let's get into the shell case first. Let's see what it's like. Okay. Okay. So yeah, basically this is just a shell case. I think it should have a wireless charger inbuilt, but I don't, from what I'm seeing here, it's just one pin on the back. I don't think it's just a style shell. So let's keep this aside and let's get into the box. So Motorola, it's a company that we know from back the days. They used to produce brilliant devices, but for some reasons, like say poor marketing or what sort, they were sold to Google at some point, sold to Lenovo. But I think now they're trying to revive themselves with the G branding. But I think, and the Z's are for their flagship devices. So what do we have here? We have Moto Z 5.5 quad HD screen, it's a 2 gigs of internal memory, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and the Snapdragon 820. Snapdragon 820 was a fantastic processor, but I think it had some, it was the 810 that had some heating issues. So this was a fantastic processor. So we have snap-on mods. Basically, nothing much about the boxing. So let's dive into the box immediately and see what the box comes with. So okay. Whoa, we have the device. Now this is thin. I think this, when it came out, it was like the thinnest smart device available on the market. This is a 5.5mm thin device. The iPhone 6, which was one of the thinnest devices, was 6.9. This is super slim. Okay, let's keep this aside. Let's see what's in the box before we come back into every other thing. Okay, this is just here. Oh, Motorola did us well to add a case to this, and now I think I'm jealous. I think I'm going to hold on to this for a while. I think I am jealous. Okay, we have some leaflets, manuals, and all that. Nobody reads these things now. Another slap-on case in the box. I really wished I went for the battery case this time around because I already have one. What am I doing with two? Come on. Okay, so we have a charger. Okay, it's a complete charger. It's not the type you could take off the cable, but it's USB Type C. We have some earphones here. They look pretty decent. With the Motorola branding on them. And what do we have here? A dongle. So that means it doesn't have the 3.5mm headset jack. And we have the SIM eject tool over here. Well packaged. I like this Motorola. Well packaged. I think this is their first device I'm having on my channel. Well packaged. But let's keep this aside. Let's get to the device itself. Now, this is pretty, especially for the price you are getting this device for. I think this is a device everybody should have. So let's try it on with one of the snap-on cases. Even with the snap-on case, is still super slim. I don't know how Motorola achieved this, but we should know right from time with the Motorola Razr, they've been giving us slim devices, and I think they are back at it again. Okay, let's see how it's a simple take-off. I really wish I got the battery mode at this point. So let's try it on with the case. I like the casing they put with it. They put a very minimalistic case so it doesn't add to the bulk of the phone. And I don't know what is stopping every other smartphone maker from doing things like this. This is pretty easy to hold and easy to use. I think it's a device we should order. Let's see if there's any juice in it. Oh yes, it powers on. But I think it will take a whole lot of time to set up. So anyway, if I get you the reviews, I will show you what's in the device and all that. But for now, stay cool, enjoy, and stick to the channel. Thank you.